Hello, everyone. I just wanted to do a quick little overview here of global education, which is one of my favorite lessons as well. It's hard to decide, but you'll be introduced if you haven't been already to Pasi Sahlberg and the Finnish education model. But that's an exciting thing. If you're not following Posse already on Twitter, I would suggest that you do so because he's got a lot of great things to offer. So I would definitely encourage you to follow Posse Sahlberg on Twitter. There's a few videos, several links for you to look at as we look at and sort of compare and contrast the US model of education with the international and global model of education. So I'm really excited to hear kind of your thoughts and ideas on Darling Hammond's perspective, if you will, on our US model and becoming internationally competitive. I'm also asking you to review a few EdTPA resources and look at that. As you know, that's the Minnesota has adopted the teacher performance assessment, and so to kind of look at that in terms of, is that a strategy for us to improve perhaps practice. And then I'm asking you for this particular lesson to post your discussion on global education in VoiceThread. So I know that you've been using VoiceThread in, if you're in Gail's course, 6520, so it shouldn't be something too new to you. But it is a really great tool, and you will be using VoiceThread for your final project in this course. So I wanted to make sure that we're all using it. There's a discussion slide in there with the discussion prompt, and simply click the plus sign to add media, and I'm just going to ask you to do voice for this particular discussion. So that's kind of this real quick nuts and bolts of this lesson. I also wanted to remind you that we are entering into the calendar Christian holiday of Holy Week, and so the college does recognize Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday as holidays, as well as Easter Monday, which is April 2nd. And so this lesson does span those dates. There will not be anything due or any expectation of activity. The college is academics are on break during that time. So you'll note that I do have a little longer time span in there for your discussion posts follow-up. So with that, I look forward to this lesson.